Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing this E3 ergonomic chair, office chair, computer chair, gaming chair, whatever, just chair by Habada. So this was especially ergonomically designed for us, for people to use it. All the measures of this chair were researched, were studied and created in a special and the right way just to support our body, our posture, our neck, our back and our legs. This chair feels amazing and I am so very excited, guys, to show you all the features it works on. You can move most of the parts of the chair. I mean, check this out, guys. You can move the head, you can move the back, taking up, taking down. You can definitely adjust the height of the chair. You can go higher, you can go lower, whatever works for you. The feet support, everything were just amazing. I am obsessed with this chair. It works so very great for me. I love everything about it. It's just so very comfortable, and this is my little office. Now you guys knows how my workspace looks like. This is your lucky day. Sure, you can rest on this chair and you can work on this chair. You can control it all. Everything is customizable, everything is adjustable, works just great. Now guys, I really want to show you the unboxing, the assembling of this chair, and tell you more details about this one. So let's get started. Guys, I'm so very excited to introduce you to this Habada E3 Ergonomic Chair Supreme. So this one works and looks just amazing, as I have already told you guys. So right now you can see me and my husband unboxing the chair and assembling the chair. So installation and to assemble the chair was really easy process. We expected it to take longer, but it actually was super quick, super easy, very user friendly. So this one is from the E3 series, and it was especially ergonomically designed and developed for better support to our back and to our whole body. It was designed with the ergonomic lumbar support technology, which means with the 3D lumbar, which is also known as the 3D lumbar support technology. This newest ergonomic design provides the customized ergonomic support that will relieve the fatigue of sitting for a long time, and it is also correcting the bad sitting posture. So no more incorrect posture. This chair will automatically kind of force you to get the right and the correct, ergonomically correct posture. The 3D means the three parts are providing the support to hug your back. The middle support part adopts the elastic mesh just to adjust the support force according to the body shape, and the two flank support adopts the leather fabric just to make you comfortable while correcting your sitting posture. This is an amazing feature for everyone who is having a lower back pain and everyone who is sitting having a lower back pain. That's for sure. I know that because I'm sitting my whole life in front of a computer. Lumbar supports, it's at 3 zones of support. It is a balance between solving the lower back pain and looking aesthetic. So now it is an optimal resolution. This Habada 3D lumbar pillow that is built in, it is fixing your waist at the right and the correct position. It is relaxing the muscles of your lower back, and it is improving the circulation. This is definitely the best and the right choice for those who are working hours in front of a computer. Unlike the traditional chairs, this E-feature chair encourages the users to sit with a healthy and the right and the correct angle by following the studies, of course. This ergonomic chair not only providing more comfort and relief for our back, but it's also reducing the pressure on our hips. So it is lowering the risk of any back pain or neck problems. Then the chair itself, made from a great breathing mesh material. It is all steel frame, which is covered with this high elasticity responsive webbing type of a material. The key areas will get more support, like the lumbar area, and at the same time this chair will simply doesn't trap heat. So it is actually let your body to breathe easier and correctly. So this is 100% breathable material. It was especially developed for chairs. It is a soft and tight at the same time. So it's just the perfect balance of all of it all together. It's elastic, it's tight, it's soft and smooth all together. It's this perfect mix of all of the possible good things of a material for a chair to sit on. Also, I love how everything about this chair is adjustable. So let's start from the headrest. It is an adjustable to keep your head in line with the midline of your torso. This will actually help to ensure that your neck muscles aren't working hard than it needs to work. And this is how you will save yourself this neck and shoulder pain from sitting hours and working or playing games or watching a movie in front of your computer. The seat is also adjustable. The depth of the seat itself is adjustable as well. So our lower body is just as important as our upper body. Our body is all working while we are sitting in front of a computer. Our whole body is working. Our muscles are tight and it is actually creating a pressure on our muscles and on our bones. This is why it's so very important to sit correctly, to sit right. So this chair is all designed to make us, to kind of force us to sit at the right and the correct way. So this seat itself will help us to sit at the right and healthy working position. The hips should sit as far back on the chair as possible, while our knees should be bent at 90 degrees or wider on the floor. By positioning slightly higher than your knees can also help with relieving the tightness. So this seat depth is adjustable from 0 to 155 inches, which is 4 centimeters in European. The height of the back is also adjustable, so you can put the back of the seat to go higher or lower, whatever works for you, and this is how you will provide your back the right support. It is adjustable by 2.8 inches or by 7 centimeters, and you can find the best balance of support and comfort that will work for you. This will help to ensure that your spine maintains its natural S-curve position even while you are seated. This one is definitely a multifunction one. The 3D armrest raise and lower allows you to take them forward and back. The sideways adjustable for the best fit to your body. You can take them whatever works for you. They are 3.5 inches up and down, as well as 20 degrees of rotation. Hardest adjustment is available. Another thing is that you can lean back to 90 to 100 or to 115 degrees while laying on this chair and resting your muscles. You can pull out the retractable footrest just to find your best position for break or napping. The high elastic nylon that this chair is made of was especially created and a special net which is breathable and so very comfortable for sitting. It is giving an amazing support for our whole body. All the materials that this chair is made of are the highest quality, of course, and they were all carefully selected and controlled. The base is made of aluminium alloy, which is not only light but also a high load bearing. The seat mechanism and gas lift cylinder are both safe, so you can use it with confidence. Guys, I am definitely obsessed with this chair. Be so very sure to check it out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box, as well as any other information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, and so very on. This is definitely goes on a great promotion right now for the Black Friday, so don't miss your chance to get this gorgeous chair by Habata. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching us assembling this chair. It was an easy one. Actually, it went really fast. It took us 20 minutes. We were sure it's going to take us like an hour to assemble all these parts, but the instructions are very, very clear and very understandable. It only took us 20 minutes to assemble it all from the very beginning, including the unboxing part, and we were honestly shocked how easy the installation goes and how easy it was to assemble it all. It comes with all the necessary things in the package for you, for your comfort. So guys, first of all, let me know down below your comments, your opinion about this chair. I don't think you ever seen me in such a comfortable atmosphere, like from that angle of a view, but yeah, this is how my life is. This is my workspace, already told you. That's my desk, that's my computer. Here I'm editing all the videos, and this chair is definitely a lifesaver. A lifesaver for me to sit in comfort. And now I am pregnant, as you called spot on the videos. I'm pregnant, we are expecting, so this chair is a lifesaver for me as for a pregnant woman to sit on, because I still working a lot on my desk, and definitely I'm gonna keep on working till the delivery. And this chair is just a lifesaver for me because it is allows my back to rest. It is great for my lower back. During the pregnancy, the lower back is really hurts. This is like the most hurtful and painful part of my body right now. So the lower back posture support and the lower back support is just works amazing. It's all completely like adjustable. It's all moving. Feels so very comfortable. I cannot even compare how better I feel right now. My lower back isn't on pain anymore as it used to be before I've got this chair. My lower back, it feels great. I am obsessed with the feet supporter, so I can just take any position I would like to take on this chair while I'm working. If I want to rest, I can just simply rest on this chair. And while I'm working, it is supporting all of my body parts ergonomically in such a great and the right and the correct way that all the pain that I had before just went away. I am not on pain right now from sitting in front of my desk all the day long. It is just worked so very great for me. It is changed my life for the better, and this chair made my life way better. It took the pain away from my lower back, from my back. It is a great and amazing supporter for your neck, so your neck feels amazing. Whatever position you would like to take, you can easily take it. It's just great in so many ways. Definitely this chair is a lifesaver for me. So guys, I highly recommend it to check this chair out. It's definitely works so very well for me, and I am so very sure that it's gonna work even better for you. As a pregnant woman, I'm telling you, it does the job way better than I would expect it to do the job. So guys, be so very sure to check Habata out. All the links are gonna be down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other promotions like codes, coupon codes, promo codes, links, and so very on. Of course, the Black Friday is here. Of course, the Black Friday is here. So there is gonna be a great coupon codes and a great codes just for you to apply at the checkout to get a nice discounts. So guys, that was actually all for today. I really hope it was helpful. I definitely highly recommend you to check it all out, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.